I'm here back with the chapter 2 and we are starting with our page number 30. As earlier we have discussed about the animals which have hair on the skin, which have feather on the skin, right? So if you turn the page, you can see that on your page number 13 it is written that can you tell which animals mentioned in the table lays eggs. लाइक अब आपको ये फाइंड करना है जो प्रीवियस टेबल हमने किया है उसमें से कि कौन से एनिमल्स ऐसे हैं दे आर गिविंग बर्थ टू द यंग वंस और दे आर लेइंग एग्स, राइट. So in the page number 13 it is written that which of the animals in the table give birth to babies, write their name in the red box. So those who are giving birth to the baby, that you have to write in the red box, and if they lay eggs you have to write in the green one, right. So we are just going to divide the one, those who are giving birth to young one and those who are laying eggs, right. So the examples are here. So goat, buffalo, elephant, pig, mouse and camel, they give birth to babies or they are giving birth to the young ones. And if you are talking about these animals, if you see or if you observe, these are the birds, mostly these are all birds. So sparrow, crow, pigeon, peacock, duck and hen, these birds are laying eggs. Okay, so as we have discussed in the tables that we have discussed in the red box that they are giving birth to the young ones, and the green one they are laying eggs, right. So here there are two definitions which we are discussing here on the page number 13, that those animals whose ears you can see एंड हैव हेयर ऑन देयर बॉडी, मतलब कि ऐसे एनिमल्स के जिनके ईयर्स आप देख सकते हो और उनकी बॉडी पर हेयर है, दीज एनिमल्स गिव्स बर्थ टू द यंग वंस. ऐसे एनिमल्स हैं जो बच्चों को जन्म देते हैं, दे आर गिविंग बर्थ टू द यंग वंस. यंग वंस का मतलब होता है उनके छोटे बच्चे. द नेक्स्ट थिंग वी आर डिस्कसिंग इज दोज एनिमल्स दैट डू नॉट हैव ईयर्स ऑन द आउटसाइड एंड डू नॉट हैव हेयर ऑन देयर बॉडी, दीज एनिमल्स ले एग्स. ऐसे एनिमल्स जिनके ईयर्स आप नहीं देख सकते हो और उनकी बॉडी पे हेयर की जगह पे फेदर्स है, ऐसे एनिमल्स है वो क्या करते हैं, दे आर गोइंग टू ले एग्स. सो आई थिंक इट इज़ क्लियर नाउ कि कौन से एनिमल्स दे आर गिविंग बर्थ टू द यंग वंस एंड दोज विच आर द एनिमल्स दे आर ले एग्स. Okay, so as you see on the page number 13 we have discussed about the animals which are giving birth to young ones and which are laying eggs. So there are some questions there and there is one line written there, it is written hole in a place of ear they lay eggs. जिसके पास ईयर नहीं होते उसकी जगह पे होल होता है जिससे वो सुन सकते हैं, वो एनिमल्स है दे आर लेइंग एग्स. There are several questions, right. So the first question there on the page number 13 is that have you seen animals around your house or school that have small babies, and write their names. So that is but obvious that yes, I have seen animals with their babies around my house and the school, and most of the animals and then little babies you have seen, that is about dogs and you have seen monkeys, right. आपने यही animals देखे होंगे. So question number 2, that is about have you ever kept a pet? Which pets do you know about? In my family mom doesn't allow us to keep a pet, not even a dog also. That's a different thing, right. So the thing is that I have never had any animal as a pet, but yes, my neighbor has a pet dog. And which animals do you know about it, कि कौन से एनिमल्स हैं जो आप एज अ पेट रख सकते हो. सो आई नो अबाउट काउ, देन अबाउट बफेलोज एंड बुल्स एंड डॉग्स. ये सारे एनिमल्स ऐसे हैं काइंड ऑफ डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स जिनको आप अपने घर पे एज अ पेट रख सकते हो. सो इफ़ यू टर्न द पेज देयर आर अनदर सेवरल क्वेश्चंस दैट इज find out more about the pet you have or you know. So I know that there is in the little distance we have a uncle, he has a cow, right? So it is a cow. The first question is which animal is it? आपको पता है कि वो पेट रखा है, कौन सा एनिमल है? So it is a cow. And does it have a name? And is it an animal or a bird? So yes, the cow's name is Gauri and it is an animal. Okay, so if you see your page number 14, there are several questions which we have discussed 1 and 2. So now we are discussing about question number 3, that who gave it this name. So they are talking that उनको नाम किसने दिया है, right? The name Gauri is given by the uncle, right? The uncle has given the name to the cow, that its name is Gauri. The fourth question is that does it have a the next question is that what does it like to eat, उसको कौन सी चीज़ें खाना पसंद है. तो उसको you have to find out that what things a cow likes to eat. So it likes to eat green grass, fodder of bajra, jowar and oily leftovers. So it means that it can eat the green grass, the fodder, like जो भी उनको grains मिलते हैं ना, बाजरा है, जुआर है, वो सारी चीज़ें, एंड ऑयली लेफ्ट ओवर्स, तो जो भी वो खाने के बाद का जो भी वेस्ट है वो भी उनको खिला सकते हैं, लाइक अ वेजिटेबल्स एंड द लेफ्ट ओवर ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स ऑल्सो, राइट. The next question is that how many times a day is it given a food. So it needs food thrice in a day. उसको दिन में 3 बार खाना देना बहुत ज़रूरी है, right. The next thing is, next question is when does it sleep, for how long does it sleep. वो कब सोते हैं और उनको कितना ज़्यादा वो कितनी लंबी टाइम के लिए, वो कितने लंबे टाइम के लिए सोते हैं. So it sleeps in the afternoon and at night and it sleeps for 5 to 6 hours. The next is that is there any special way to look after this animal and how. So if we are talking about cow, there is a special way that we can look after it, that yes, we can look after it in the way like we are going to kept the cow under a shade. उसको ऐसे shade और roof के साथ उनको रखना चाहिए in the winter season and in the rainy seasons, right. Her living area is kept clean. जो भी living area में आप उनको रख रहे हो, you have to take care that वो clean हो. By giving proper food and water, this is the way that you can look after the animal. Okay, so on the question number 8, in the question number 8 it is written that when does, or it is written that does it get angry, when and how do you know that it is angry. So how do you know that the cow is angry and when it is going to get angry. So here yes, first of all it gets angry, and when it is hungry or thirsty, or when an unknown person comes near it, or if someone is teasing the cow, it gets angry. And when it gets angry, at that time it moans loudly. जैसे कि पता चल जाता है ना, cow is going to moan, so it moans loudly or jumps. By this we know that it is angry. The next question is, does it have feather or hair on its skin. उनकी स्किन पे क्या है, they have feather or they have hair. So we already know that there is hair on cow's skin, right. The next question is, can you see its ear. So yes, we can clearly see cow's ear. Number 11 is that it is a baby or a young animal or a full grown animal. So the cow is a young animal. Number 12 is that will this pet animal lay eggs or give birth to the baby. So as we discussed earlier, so if it is hair on the skin and you can see their ears, it is that this particular animal is giving birth to the young ones or the babies. So this pet animals gives birth to babies. Okay, so talking about the second last question, that is, does it have young ones? So yes, and how many young ones the cow has? So it has one baby, it is called calf, and it is a small female calf. So the last question is, draw a picture of that animal and color it and give it a name of your own choice. So that's the kind of thing that you can do it at your home, that you have to draw the picture of your favorite pet and you have to write the name of the pet. So if you turn the page, then on the page number 16 there is a beautiful picture of a peacock. So it is written that look at this bird and write its name. So that is that easy, that it is peacock. And do you know that this is our national bird? Yes, we already know that peacock is our national bird. But where does it live? So we know that peacock is mostly found in the villages and near the river banks, जहाँ पे थोड़ी शांति भी हो and kind of more trees and all the things. राइट इन सिटीज़ वी कैन नॉट सी इट प्रॉपरली, और वो वहाँ पे होते भी नहीं है बिकॉज उनको रहने के लिए ओपन स्पेस चाहिए होती है, राइट. नाउ दिस बर्ड इज नॉट सीन ईजीली एट मैनी एरियाज. डिस्कस इट. वाई डज इट हैपन? It happens just because peacock cannot live in the crowded place, right? So that's why they are gone to the places where is less crowd or not much people are there, like near the river bank or in the villages where the atmosphere is very calm and there are not much people to disturb their life cycle, right? So this is it about the chapter. So in this chapter, year to year, you have learned about the young ones and which one are giving laying eggs and which animals has fur on the feather on the skin and which have hair on the skin, which animals has ears which you can see and which animals has ears but you cannot see it, right? So this is it for chapter 2, and now in the next video when we are meeting, we are starting chapter number 3.